Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can optimize your WordPress website using a free WordPress plugin. So let me log in into my WordPress website, and after that let me click on login button. Now let me scroll down, and here I need to go in plugin sections. Let me install a new plugin. So here you can install any of the plugin. All the plugins are free in WordPress plugin library. So here I can type a keyword WP Optimize. Let me scroll down. Here you can see the plugin that has 1 million plus active installations with 5-star ratings. Simply you can install it, and after that click on the button activate. So now after activation, let me scroll down, and on the left side here you can see plugin settings. You can also go from here. You can simply click here settings, scroll down, and now here you can see these are the options on the top. Just you can click on image tab, then scroll down. Here you can enable this option, automatically compress newly added images. And if you want to use more features, then you need to upgrade the version of this plugin. And then here you can enable if you want to convert your images into WebP format. Then scroll up, and here you can select the cache. Then scroll down. You can enable page caching. Then scroll down. So if you want to generate separate files for mobile devices, you can do that, but I think that's not recommended. You can select the cache time. So I want to select 4 hours, then click on save changes, then scroll up, and here you can check the other options. So preload, then advanced settings. Alright, it's fine. Gzip compression, so it's already enabled. Then click on minify, and you can enable this feature. Then scroll down. So make sure that these options are enabled, and after that click here performance tab, and you can enable 404 detector. So 404 means pages that are not found. Then click on settings tab. So alright, we have done everything. Then simply click on save settings. So if you want to check your website speed, just you can go on GT metrics, then click here, scroll down, and here I need to copy and add my website link here. Then click on analyze button. Within few seconds you will get all the reports about your website. So you can check any website speed and performance, and it will also detect all of the issues and errors in your website so that you can fix and increase your WordPress website speed. So if you want to rank your website, make sure that your website speed is good. So guys, here you can see the report. Thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe to my YouTube.